Hey guys! AI snow scene styles have been going viral across every social platform lately. Today I'm bringing you 5 stunning sets of couple snow photos to level up your social media covers and capture your sweetest moments. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Gemini and upload 2 prepared photos of you and your partner. Then, copy the prompt provided at the end of the video, paste it in, and let the AI work its magic. You can also use Pixpretty, a free online tool, for better background removal. This tool can also generate 3D portrait shots. Isn't the effect amazing? That's it for today's video. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.